Everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into Eat to Beat Disease by Dr. William Li, a groundbreaking book that shows how the food you eat can activate your body's natural defenses to fight diseases like cancer, heart disease, and even slow aging. If you've ever wondered how to use food as medicine, this video is for you. Stick around, grab a notebook, and let's get started. Oh, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button if you love learning about health and wellness. Eat to Beat Disease, published in 2019, is written by Dr. William Li, a world-renowned physician and scientist who specializes in angiogenesis, the process of forming new blood vessels, and preventive medicine. His work has impacted over 50 million lives, and he's a pioneer in the food as medicine movement. The core idea? Your body has 5 powerful defense systems: angiogenesis, regeneration, microbiome, DNA protection, and immunity that can prevent and fight diseases. And the best part? You can activate these systems with the foods you eat every day. Dr. Li's book is packed with science-backed advice, clinical studies, and practical tips to help you live longer and healthier. What I love about this book is that it's not about restrictive diets or quick fixes. It's about empowering you to make smart food choices that work with your body's natural healing powers. Let's break down those 5 defense systems one by one. The 5 defense systems. Dr. Li identifies 5 health defense systems that protect your body from disease. Think of them as your body's superheroes, and food is their fuel. 1. Angiogenesis. Angiogenesis is the process of growing new blood vessels. It's essential for healing, but when it goes out of balance, it can fuel diseases like cancer or heart disease by helping tumors grow or clogging arteries. Dr. Li explains that certain foods can regulate angiogenesis to keep it in check. For example, soybeans contain genistein, which inhibits cancer cell growth by starving tumors of blood supply. Just 1 cup of soy milk a day, about 10 grams of soy protein, can make a difference. Tomatoes, especially when cooked in olive oil, boost lycopene absorption, which supports healthy blood vessel growth. Green tea has catechins that can block harmful angiogenesis. Pro tip: add a splash of olive oil to your tomato sauce or sip a cup of green tea daily to support this system. 2. Regeneration. Your body is constantly regenerating itself using stem cells, which repair and renew tissues. Foods that boost stem cell activity can help you heal faster and stay youthful. Some star foods here include dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher, contains flavanols that enhance stem cell function. Blueberries and other berries are packed with antioxidants that protect stem cells. Fatty fish like salmon provide omega-3s that support tissue repair. Try adding a handful of blueberries to your morning oatmeal or enjoying a square of dark chocolate as a healthy treat. 3. Microbiome. Your gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria in your digestive system, plays a huge role in your health, from digestion to mood to immunity. A diverse microbiome is a healthy one, and certain foods can feed the good bacteria. Dr. Li recommends fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut to increase beneficial bacteria. Fiber-rich foods like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables to nourish your gut. Pomegranate and cranberries have compounds that promote a healthy microbiome. Quick tip: swap out sugary snacks for a bowl of Greek yogurt with fruit to give your gut a boost. 4. DNA protection. Your DNA is under constant attack from things like UV rays, pollution, and even normal cell division. Over time, this damage can lead to aging and diseases like cancer. But certain foods can protect and repair your DNA. Top picks include berries like black raspberries and strawberries, which are rich in antioxidants. Nuts, especially walnuts, which contain compounds that shield DNA. Leafy greens like kale and spinach, packed with vitamins that support DNA repair. Add a handful of walnuts to your salad or snack on berries to keep your DNA in top shape. 5. Immunity. Your immune system is your body's security guard, fighting off infections and even cancer cells. Dr. Li says you can supercharge your immunity with food. Key immune-boosting foods include citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits, loaded with vitamin C. Mushrooms, like shiitake or maitake, contain beta-glucans that activate immune cells. Garlic has sulfur compounds that enhance immune response. Try adding a clove of garlic to your stir-fry or sipping on a mushroom broth to keep your immune system strong. How to put it into practice? Now that we know the 5 defense systems and the foods that activate them, how do we actually put this into practice? Dr. Lee introduces the 5x5x5 framework. A simple, flexible way to incorporate these foods into your life. Here's how it works. The 5x5x5 framework is about eating to support all 5 defense systems across 5 eating occasions, with 5 key principles. Let's break it down. Choose your foods. Pick foods that target each defense system. Dr. Lee provides a preferred foods checklist with over 200 options, like soy, berries, tomatoes, and even surprising ones like licorice, beer, and cheese. Food doses. Eat the right amounts for maximum benefit. For example, 1 cup of soy milk or a small handful of nuts daily can make a difference. 5 eating occasions. Spread your healthy foods across breakfast, lunch, dinner, and 2 snacks. This keeps your defense systems active all day. Mix and match. Combine foods to hit multiple systems at once. For example, a salad with spinach, tomatoes, and walnut supports angiogenesis, DNA protection, and regeneration. 5 principles. 1. Life's not perfect. Balance out unhealthy choices with healthy ones. 2. Eat what you enjoy. Choose foods you love to make it sustainable. 3. Make it personal. Adapt to your dietary needs or restrictions. 4. Make it sustainable. Focus on long-term habits, not temporary diets. 5. Be adaptable. Adjust to different situations, like dining out or travel. Here's a sample day. Breakfast. Greek yogurt with blueberries and walnuts, microbiome, regeneration, DNA protection. Snack. An orange, immunity. Lunch. Tomato and spinach salad with olive oil and grilled salmon, angiogenesis, DNA protection, regeneration. Snack. Dark chocolate and green tea, regeneration, angiogenesis. Dinner. Stir-fry with garlic, mushrooms, and broccoli, immunity, angiogenesis. The beauty of the 5x5x5 framework is that it's not restrictive. You don't have to give up your favorite foods. Just add these disease-fighting foods to your routine. It's like giving your body a daily tune-up. Let's talk about how to make this practical. Dr. Lee's book and related cookbooks, like the 30-minute Dr. Lee's Diet Cookbook, offer tons of recipes to get you started. Here are 3 easy ones to try, plus some tips for success. Recipe 1. 5-minute salmon salad. Mix canned salmon with mashed avocado, lemon juice, and chopped spinach. Serve on whole grain toast. This hits angiogenesis, regeneration, and DNA protection, and it's perfect for a quick lunch. Recipe 2. Peaches and cream oatmeal. Cook oats with almond milk, top with fresh peaches and a sprinkle of walnuts. This supports your microbiome, regeneration, and DNA protection. Great for breakfast. Recipe 3. Avocado chickpea salad. Toss chickpeas, avocado, cherry tomatoes, and olive oil with a dash of lemon. This targets angiogenesis, microbiome, and immunity. It's a great side dish or snack. Tips for success. Here are 5 tips to make Eat to Beat Disease work for you. 1. Start small. Add 1 or 2 new foods a week, like berries or green tea. 2. Shop smart. Use Dr. Lee's preferred foods checklist to stock your kitchen. You can find an updated version online at his website. 3. Prep ahead. Batch cook recipes like the salmon salad to save time. 4. Experiment. Try new foods or cuisines, like kimchi or miso, to keep it fun. 5. Track your progress. Notice how you feel after a month of eating this way: more energy, better digestion, or even weight loss. Why does Eat to Beat Disease matter? Because diseases like cancer, heart disease, and diabetes are on the rise, and the cost, in lives and healthcare, is staggering. But Dr. Lee's research shows that simple changes to your diet can prevent these diseases and even slow aging. For example, did you know your body makes about 10,000 potentially cancer-causing cell division mistakes every day? Your defense systems catch most of them, and the right foods make them even stronger. This isn't about fear, it's about empowerment. You have the power to support your health with every bite. This book changed the way I think about food. It's not just about weight loss or looking good, it's about living longer, feeling better, and giving your body the tools to thrive. Whether you're 30, 50, or 70, it's never too late to start. So, what's your next step? Pick one food from this video, maybe blueberries, garlic, or green tea, and add it to your meals this week. Let me know in the comments how it goes. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Check out the links in the description for the food checklist, recipe ideas, and where to grab Eat to Beat Disease. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.